After starting the tutorial, you may want to open the library website in a separate tab. To get started, click on the database's A to Z link on the library homepage. The library subscribes to over 125 online databases in all subject areas. For this assignment, we're going to use Academic Search Complete, so go ahead and click on the A button. Academic Search Complete is one of our most important databases. Because it includes academic journals in all subject areas, it's an excellent choice for beginning your research. Go ahead and click on Academic Search Complete. Type your first search term, either ethanol or caffeine, in the first search box. In the second box, put your heart rate or physiology terms. Let's try heart. Then click Search. Academic Search Complete is a very large database, as you can see from the search set of 789 results that we retrieved. You'll want to refine most of your searches to get better results. Many options for refining these searches are available in the left-hand column. Go ahead and scroll down and find Subject Thesaurus Term as a choice. These thesaurus terms are subject words that Academic Search Complete uses to describe your topic. Select the terms that are the closest match to your terms. Typically, the higher in the list the term appears, the more often it will be used. You can write down your terms in your pre-lab library assignment for use in modifying your search. You can see that the database uses both ethanol and alcohol as search terms. Often you will find that one term is used for a particular aspect of a topic. This will be the case with caffeine, but other times you'll need to use multiple terms. Keeping track of which terms your database uses for your search topic is a key element in good database searching. Our next step is going to be replacing our original search terms with the thesaurus terms that we've just identified. Type the two synonymous terms separated by the word or. This will retrieve articles that have either the subject heading alcohol or ethanol. A search can be focused by requiring that a search term be found as official subject terms. This means the article is really about that topic. Choose Subject Terms in the Select a Field drop-down box next to the ethanol or alcohol search box. Then click Search. We now have a large but more focused search result. We could begin to look at some records, but it's often better to consider ways to refine our search even more. Go ahead and scroll down to look at some more subject thesaurus terms. A number of interesting new headings have appeared under subject thesaurus terms. Alcohol physiological effect is very closely matched to what our whole topic is. You'll be tempted to check this term and update your search. The better approach is to replace your search terms with a new phrase or terms. Let's take a look at what I mean. At the top of the page, click the Clear button to erase your previous search. Then type the phrase alcohol physiological effect in the search box. This way of refining the search will get all the records that use that search phrase, not just the ones that also had terms from our previous search. Now you can hit the Search button. This search found 3,504 results with search terms very closely matching our topic. Incidentally, this is about 10 times the amount you would have gotten if you just clicked the box to update the search. This same technique works for caffeine. You'll soon find the heading Caffeine Physiological Effect. Now it's time to start exploring our search results. One good way to start looking through a search results set is to limit by source type. Scroll down to find this option on the left. Which type you choose depends on how much you already know about the topic. For this assignment, though, you want to look at academic sources. In our case, academic journals would be the best place to begin. Go ahead and check off academic journals. There are almost 3,000 academic journal articles to choose from. Browse through these and look for some that interest you or that look helpful. As an example, we're going to look at the article titled The Metabolic Syndrome of Patients with Alcohol Dependency. When we click on the title, we're taken to what a detailed record looks like in Academic Search Complete. Here are some of the standard features: the bibliographic citation details, whether or not the full text is available, additional subject headings, and the abstract. Use the Citing in CSE Style tab on the tutorial website to properly format your citations for the library assignment. Careful reading of the abstract is an important way to identify articles that you will want to read. Look for information on the effects of alcohol on physiology. If you find something of interest, click the full text link and read the article. Once you have read an article or two, you'll often have enough information to revise your search some more. From this article, you found that alcohol consumption is related to liver disease. Click Refine Search to add additional search terms. Type your additional search term or terms to refine the search, in this case, liver. Click Search. Here is an example of a more focused study on the topic. Even though alcohol physiological effect is not in the title, we can see that it is in the subject terms list, so we know that the physiological effects of alcohol are going to be included. Click PDF Full Text to view the article. While many articles are available immediately with an academic search complete through the full text link, at least half will not have a full text icon displayed. To see if we have other full text sources for the article, click the Full Text Finder link. Check availability so it shows you if we have full text for your article available. If we have full text, usually a link to the article appears. Just click it and read. However, when only a journal link appears, as in this example, you have to click it and browse or search the online journal to find your specific article. You will want to identify and read a number of articles. Carefully record full text citations and notes on the information you learned from the article in your assignment sheet. In these examples, we started with alcohol and physiology, then looked specifically at the effects on the liver. For your assignment, you'll narrow your search to find articles about the effect on heart rate. Start with what you know. Try replacing the liver search term with the keywords heart rate, even if you don't know if those are the proper subject terms. As you explore, you will find subject terms like heartbeat. Try modifying with new terms that you find that look useful. Record them as appropriate. The trick is to keep revising until you find what you need. Don't forget to bring your completed library assignment with you to your lab. Complete the assignment for both ethanol and caffeine, and consult the links on the Citing in CSE Style tab for more information on proper citations. Happy searching!